Hello, I'm Dr. Tamara Green, and welcome to the TJG News Broadcast for Wednesday, May 5th, 2021. Today we'll be discussing some ongoing research on distributed databases. Right now we're working on a platform to build distributed databases on an environment that allows for both databases and data warehousing applications, and also client applications to reside in a distributed environment. And this environment will be used for data analysis. So one of the features of distributed databases that we'll be applying in the design is to allow for the data to come from a variety of sources. One of the principles of big data is in variety, and with databases you have relational database management systems, you have NoSQL databases, NewSQL databases, and if all those different types of databases can reside in one environment, then data can be shared across that environment and support the analysis of that data. So as we are using these databases for data analysis, we also want to be able to have some of the data analysis tools available for accessing the data from the distributed databases, and also to be able to store the results of analysis in that distributed environment. So with the distributed database management systems, we have been reviewing recent research on models and simulations that have been developed to show resource management and distribution of resources. And in this way, the algorithms that are being built for these models and simulations, they tie in with other fields of society that have developed theories and approaches to distribution. And so the algorithms are quite interesting because they show how to distribute resources among units that when there's a constraint for certain resources. So the process of designing the distributed databases, it ties in with fields of sociology, philosophy, economy, and political science. And these algorithms that are being developed to analyze how to distribute the resources amongst a pool of resources amongst the different units. They may also have applications in these other fields. And as we continue to research how we will apply these databases, we look at some of the research in these fields to support the development of these algorithms in the strategies for distributing resources. And in our application for the distributed databases, we also provide the analysis features to support these other fields of science as well. So, for example, with the analysis of labor data, we want to be able to support the analysis of local, national, and international labor data that can identify resources for policymakers and regulators to develop labor protection regulations. So we want to be able to have data that's stored on our local system and integrated from various sources. So if we take local data and compare it on the national level, or if we have survey data internationally, be able to take that raw data and compile it and analyze it, and then through the data visualization tools that we have, be able to have that data read to our application environment, and so it can be accessed through the interface tools. And not only will we be analyzing labor data, but also economical data and financial data. So the distributed database platform for analysis that we're developing, it could serve a number of purposes. Right now we're just refining the design to support these applications. So thank you for joining us for an update, and once again, if you'd like to continue to receive updates for TJG News, then you can subscribe. You can also visit the websites tjgnews.com and softwaretestnews.com. Thank you.